Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about courier order setup. So if you don't know, basically you can quote your delivery services to our national partners in order to compete with, the other delivery services to process orders for a specific restaurant. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to locations. We're going to select a location, and this used to be called ICP Zoning, but now it's called Courier Setup. So you're going to click on Courier Setup, and here you will see a couple of different things. So on the right hand side, this field named fees is currently empty because we didn't add anything so far, right? So there's a couple of things that we need to keep in mind here. First, we're going to do our global fees. So flat pickup fee is going to be a quote for how much the restaurant basically would pay you as a delivery service to just pick up the food, right? So we gave you an example here, and let's just keep it at $2.50. Then we have a per mile and per minute fee. This fee doesn't stack one on top of the other. It just takes the one that's going to be higher. So meaning if we have a delivery that's 2 miles away, right, and we have a per mile fee of 50 cents, that's going to be $1. But if that order takes 10 minutes to deliver, right, we're going to take this 20 cents and multiply it by 10. So this is going to be $2 as well. So in this case, the fee is going to be the same. But if the per mile fee went up by 50 cents, then that fee would equal to $4. So then that is the fee that's going to be charged or quoted. Then we have the RDS Commission Fee. This is going to be the fee that goes to you as a delivery service. And then driver commission is going to be taken out of the flat pickup fee plus the per mile or per minute fee. All right. So in this case, if you have this set up as let's say 50%, if a fee combined from flat pickup fee and per mile / per minute fee is let's say $8, then the driver would get $4 and you as a service would get $4. Now the RDS commission fee completely goes to you. All right. So that's something that we can input right here. So let's just say we want to do exactly how it is set up here. We're going to hit save. We're not going to touch anything else. Okay. And then I'm going to come back with an example for the subtotal overage and subtotal overage driver commission and restaurant pickup time buffer in just a second. All right, guys. For the sake of simplicity, I changed this example so you guys can follow easier because there are some calculations that happen, and I just don't want you guys to get lost. So in this case, I changed up the fees a little bit. So as you can see, we have the flat pickup fee of $2.50. We have a per mile or per minute fee of 25 cents. Then we have the RDS commission fee of $2.50. Then we have the driver commission set at 100%, meaning the driver is going to get the flat pickup fee fully, plus whatever the per mile or per minute fee is. And then we come to the next feature, which is subtotal overage. Now, this is useful, and this takes in consideration bigger orders, meaning if we have an order that's, let's say, $50, right? And here we have quoted over $5 already. So we have the flat pickup fee of $2.50. We have the RDS commission fee of $2.50. Plus, on top of that, we have the fee per mile per minute of 25 cents, which will bring the delivery fee over $5. Now, because we have the subtotal overage set at 10%, nothing is going to happen because 10% of $50 is going to be $5, right? And our fee is already over $5, so nothing happens. So in this case, let's just say our delivery fee comes out to 1 mile, and that will equal to a $6 delivery fee altogether when we combine all the fees. So if that happens, A $50 order, nothing's going to happen. A $60 order, nothing is going to happen because the numbers, the fees are going to stay the same. Now, if we have an order that's $100, so it's a bigger order, 10% of 100 is going to be $10, and this is where the subtotal overage is going to kick in. So because 10 is obviously greater than 6, we are going to be quoting a new delivery fee because it is a bigger order. So in this case, this calculation is going to be overwritten by $10, right? When originally it should be 6. So the subtotal percentage overage driver commission is what of that bonus, that extra. So we have those extra $4. Here we determine how much does it go to the driver and how much does it go to the RDS, to you as the delivery service operator. So we can put this percentage to anything, but for the sake of simplicity, we left it at 50. So in this case, we have the original flat pickup fee of $250. So if this is set to 50% of the commission from the subtotal overage, the driver would get $2 from that, right? Because from 6 to 10, we got $4 extra. So $2 will go to the RDS, $2 will go to the driver. Now this will equal to RDS coming to $450 as a complete fee, and then for the driver would keep everything else, which will be $550, because we have the $250 as a flat pickup fee, then we have the per minute fee, which let's just say comes out to 4 minutes. That will be an extra $1, so that's $350, plus the extra $2 we have left over from the subtotal overage, which brings the driver up to $550. And now lastly, we have the restaurant pickup time buffer, and this is right now just a static number, and this just gives the restaurant a quote on average how long it would take you to get a driver in minutes, right? So if we have 20, we're just going to quote that we can have a driver there in 20 minutes. And obviously you can play around with this, and this is where you can customize this completely depending on your needs, because you can take a look at all of our national partners, and you can go to Chipotle, and you can say for Chipotle we're going to quote it differently. We're going to quote the flat pickup fee to $3, 50 cents per mile and 15 cents per minute, and so on and so forth. So you can set these up completely separately, and let me just fill this one out so you can see it update on the left hand side. So if we hit save, we have our global, which will take any restaurant that's not on this list, plus we have the individual restaurants that are going to show up here, and you can simply delete any of these whenever you feel like it. Alright guys, so the last thing we're going to go over regarding the courier setup is that you will have to have a zoning map of the area where you will pick up the food from. So this doesn't represent how far out you will go, it just represents in which area you want to pick up the food. Most of these restaurants that we have in the system right now do a maximum delivery distance of 5 miles. The average is 3 miles, so you don't have to worry about making the map huge. All you want to do is, just get the general area that you want to cover, and for example like this, and for example if we have any restaurants right here, we can pick up from them, and then if there's a restaurant here, maybe we will deliver a little further out here, but you don't have to worry about making it too big because you don't want to get quotes that are way too far away. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let us know if you have any questions. Make sure you visit our knowledge base on Jira, and you can find the links below, and keep up with the new features and updates on your admin backend. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.